Okay, in the last tutorial, we showed you how to create a geometry. We did this with this example of this, it's the wrong picture, of the 69F. We created the geometry. We cannot show you yet how the mesh looks like because first we need a state as well. The state is a little bit easier, but again, we'll do a new state. So right here, we can also see we just created this new geometry, the 69F2. So we see here new geometry created. Right here, to start with, we will put a pitch of 1 degree maybe. We don't put any roll, no yaw, no pitch velocity, no roll velocity, no yaw velocity, no pitch acceleration. To start with, it's not necessary. The speed to water, that's very important. We'll do 10 meters per second, a little bit below 20 knots, so quite a good speed already. And an elevation, so that's the position of the central gravity of a reference point above the water surface. So we wanted to have like maybe 0.8 meters above, and let's see what it does. We'll save it again as 69F2 because I already made the first one. Also, we need to incorporate some moments due to a sail. So it could also be an external moment to an engine, of course. It doesn't have to be sail. Maybe I should change this. But along the x-axis, it is not as important because again, we're doing a longitudinal stability analysis. So mainly this one is important around the y-axis. And I think it was estimated to be around -800. So we fill it in like that. We save it again, state saved. If something would go wrong, you would see it here. So then it would mention that it's not saved because you didn't have a state loaded or whatever the issue might be. And then you would get an error here. So we saved it, which is good. And once we've done that, we can actually go on with generating mesh. But that's something for the next tutorial.